Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica and I'm so glad that you're here for today's video because it is time for another small business vlog. Alright, so jumping right into it, I need to start by printing off some sublimation designs since it does take a while to do that because I need to sublimate and bleach some t-shirts so that I can restock some inventory at that local store that I sell some of my products at. So that's what we are going to be starting with right now. right, so there's how the Dolly ones came out. And the Yellowstone, and these are those ones that started out navy and I just kept bleaching and scrunching. I love how these look. So cool. Hey y'all, so as you guys saw yesterday, I did finish bleaching and washing and drying all the t-shirts. Unfortunately, I didn't get to finish my entire to-do list. I was kind of racing against the clock yesterday as far as the weather goes, because towards the end it was starting to get really cloudy and I was afraid it was going to start raining. So I was really trying to rush to get those t-shirts done. So it probably wasn't the best day to experiment different bleaching techniques, but that's okay. We are going to wrap up the small business vlog today. I'm going to start by tagging and inventorying those shirts so I can be completely done with those. I need to get that done before I can take them to the local store that I sell my products at. And then I also need to package up some orders that need to be shipped out today. Okay, so Kenzie ordered the mason jar and cactus kit, and she ordered the scent Love Spell, but she also added on a Baja cactus fragrance. So we're gonna set Kenzie's order there. Okay, and she'll also need some aroma beads and a mason jar. And then Sean ordered a flower and butterfly kit with the scent Pink Sugar. But Sean also ordered a few add-ons, like some extra aroma beads, which already gets one, so we'll grab two, and an extra fragrance of Love Spell, and an extra set of cookie cutters of the mason jar and cactus. All right, so we'll set Sean's order here. Okay, and then we'll need 2 kit boxes.